Hey, rock gamers, coming to you from, well, I'm working, but got a little break here, so I'm just going to do a quick video. See, I'm gathering some gems here. I'm actually in a zone 2 behind a gate that I have to change alliances for, and the reason for this is as we come up to Kingdom versus Kingdom 3, Light and Darkness, there is a gathering event right to begin with. So I am going to load up this march on as much gems as I can. Gold for a little bit, but mostly gems. And see if I can fill it completely up. And hold it back from coming home to my city when it's done gathering and I'm away. So that's why I'm just waiting to get back into my alliance. As you can see there, I've already applied. But in the meantime, let's open some items here. I have only 24 of the Kingdom supply chests. I didn't push because I didn't want to use AP. We weren't pushing as a kingdom. I got 1.2 million gold. Stones inconsequential. The 24-hour speed up's nice. 8-hour speed up's nice. 6 3-hour speed ups is nice. 200 gems is nice. 50 gems nice. We got some decent things. Another 1.2 million gold. Much needed. Ooh, 500 and 2 100 gems. We got, and then 2 3-day speed ups. That is sweet. So I think overall, for only 24 chests, I made out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. I'll have more Lucerne chests. I don't want to cash those in yet, although you don't get much for them. Let's see what we get for the 84. Just nothing much. Some silver keys and some aethaflids. Okay. Let us take a look. Oh, that's right. I'm not in alliance, so I can't sell anything yet. But let's do a forge. Witches Lineage. Replacing a really crappy helmet that is on Constantine that I forged when equipment first came out, and I didn't know any better. So let's put the Witches Lineage on. Yep, and yes. Didn't get lucky with what is that? Didn't get lucky with the special talent on it. So let's put it on Constantine. Oh, I am so going to get rid of that iron helmet. And that'll make my Constantine a little bit better. Okay. And let's go here. And dismantling. This is the one I want to dismantle. I see no need for it. There we go. All right. Making fun of me being out in the cold. All right, so that is done. And the update here, let's take a look at the rankings. We are in 6th place. 106 million back of 5th. There is little to zero chance of any of that changing now. We have told everyone to not spend AP bottles, and honestly it's very hard to move rank in stage 3 anyway, so we will undoubtedly get the plus 5% action point recovery, which will help for pushing honor, but doesn't help us fighting. So anyway, that's it for this time. Just a quick little video, and just to let you know that I will be putting a short live stream right around the opening of KvK3. It might not be exactly as it's opening, but it'll be right around that time. But it's not going to be for a long time, just a short live stream. And then I will do live streams for fighting as that occurs, for ruins and for Kingsland when it opens up and after. So all right, enjoy playing Rise of Kingdoms. Subscribe and like, please. It helps out my channel. And we'll see you next time. Have fun playing Rise of Kingdoms.